Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video you're going to learn how you can convert image into video using Google Vids. And this is really interesting and really crazy. Yes, it's really interesting and really crazy. For some people, you already know that you normally use prompts into video, right, on Google Vids. But right now, you can now convert image into video on Google Vids. You can do it on Google Flow, and you can also do it on Google Gemini. But this method is for Google Vids. I'm also going to show you how to do it on Google Gemini. So without further ado, let us dive right into it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, and if you have not liked this video, make sure you do that right now. Right, so let us continue. The first thing you do is to go into Google Vids. For those that don't know how to open Google Vids, what you're just going to do is to open a new tab. Make sure you are on Google AI Pro. That is very important. But if you don't have Google AI Pro account, make sure you check the link in the description below to get a 12-month access to Google AI Pro. And if you already have one before and it's not enough for you, make sure you go to the same link to get more Google AI Pro accounts, so that you can be switching from one account to another to create multiple videos as you like. Right, so now let's do that. So the first thing you do is to go on Google. Just search Google Vids. You can see Google then Vids, Vids. So you are going to see this link right here, this website, Google Sites. You can see Google Vids. So click on it. After clicking on it, click on this Get Started. Then it's going to redirect you straight to Google Vids as we have it right here. So let me cancel this one and this. Good. So now we are on Google Vids. I can decide to click on blank video, or I click on view theory. So let me just click on view theory, because if I click on view theory, it's going to open this tab automatically. So I can name my video right here. Let me just title is that image to video. And don't forget, this is just like Google Docs. When you come here, you can go to home. Let me just quickly show you that. You can go to home to see all the videos. You can create a new video right here to see all the videos, or the list of all the videos that you are creating. So you can create multiple videos as you like. Maybe you have multiple projects. You can just add new video to start another project, add new video to start another project right here. So let me click on plus again, so you can see the process. Let me click on view theory. So let me title this image to video, image to video 2. So you can see we have 2 videos right now. So now let me click on this view theory. This view right here, this is where you can have access to view theory. You can see view theory preview, 8 seconds per scene or per generation, 720p video with audio. So now you can see that there is one magic button right here, which is plus image. So this plus image is where you can click on to select the image you want to convert into video, and that's changed everything. It changed everything right there. So let me do it. So now let us go and select an image that we are going to convert into video right now, so that you can see the magic. So you click on this plus image. You are going to agree to these terms and conditions. So let me go to where I will select the image from. So this is the image I'm going to be selecting right here. So you need to wait for it to upload. You can see that the image has uploaded successfully. So let me now tell you that the character, I just want to give it a simple prompt. The character must say in, or let me say must speak in Nigerian accent, saying, let me then quote it, welcome to Digi Tech Studio, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Good. So as you can see right here, the character must speak in Nigerian accent saying, "Welcome to Digitech Studio. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel." So the next thing you do is to click on create. So it's going to start processing right here. And by the time you start processing, you need to wait for it to get to 100%. Let me pause this video and come back and show you. So one thing, when I was generating it, it gave me this error. That request looks like it goes against our terms. Try again, try asking something else. So I've input something else. Let us see if this is going to go. So anytime you have any error like that, make sure you try asking the AI another thing, or you go to Google Flow to go and generate the image. Okay, you can see right now, you can see the same error. So let me type something else. It's my studio. Welcome, guys. So let us check if this is going to work out well. So the same thing. So let me pause. So yeah, guys, the content was actually not the problem the other time. It was the image. The image looked like a prominent person, so they are trying to protect the identity or something. Just like you know, when you upload the image of someone like Elon Musk and you say you want to give it a voice, Google won't accept that. So that won't work here. Make sure it's not an image of someone that is popular or a prominent person. I hope you understand. So I decided to use another image, and as you can see it right here, this is it.
Welcome to Digi.
So let us play it.
Welcome to Digitech Studio. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
So you can see how crazy that is. Yeah, so this is the image of a newscaster that I uploaded, right? And I gave it the same prompts. Let me insert it, and let me play it again after inserting it.
Welcome to Digitech Studio. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
So guys, don't forget this. If you know you don't know how to create prompts and consistent character for Google VO3, make sure you go to my previous videos and watch how to do that, how to do premium prompting to create any promotional video or any video with consistent character. So let me click on this edit prompt. You can see this was the image I later used, and this was the content I used, and it worked perfectly. Mind you, you can still put another image and add a new scene, right? That means you can create as many scenes as you like, as long as possible, and match them together on this Google Vids. You can even get stock videos, stock music, stock sound effects. Let me say you created a promotional video, you now want to use a stock video or a stock music for it. You can reduce the voice by clicking on this sound right here. You can reduce the volume so that the voiceover can come out well. You can mute, you can do all sorts of things.
Welcome to Digitech Studio. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
So you can see that the music is actually playing in the background, and that is how it works. You can create as many scenes as you like, as many as possible. And don't forget, you can only generate 10 videos or 10 times right here on Google Vids, right here on Google Vids daily. So it's going to be renewing the 10 every single day, right? So if you want to use Google Gemini, this is the method of using Gemini. Sorry, let me copy the same content so that I can use the same thing. So just go to Gemini AI, just search for Gemini AI right here. Then you go to the normal Gemini AI charts. And on Gemini AI, you can only generate 3 videos per day. 3 videos per day. Yes, that is how it works. That is how it works. You can see you can also switch model right from here. So now I want to create video. So let me just click on create video. You can see that it now has a button right here whereby you can add photo. So that is adding reference photo. So let me add a photo. So as you can see right here, I've added the photo successfully, and here I am. Let me then paste the description, what I want the character to say. Then the next thing I will do is to click on submit. So you need to wait for a while. Let me cancel this. So you can see I am generating a video. So you need to wait till this video is generated successfully. I'm going to come back to that. So as you can see right now, it has generated successfully. So let us play it and see.
Welcome to Digitech Studio. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
You can see how crazy that is. You can see how crazy that is. You can then download from here. Download your video to your PC, right? And don't forget, let me show you this. This is how to export video on Google Vids. You click on file and you click on download to MP4. You can see it. Download as MP4. You can also use another method by exporting it to drive and go and download it on your drive. So you can just download it as MP4 right here and export it on your PC, watch it, or use it for whatsoever you want to do. So don't forget, if you want to get the Google AI Pro, make sure you click on the description below to get it. So thank you guys. Bye.